Okay, if you are a new extreme couponer or you're just starting to get into cutting back your groceries, let me warn you or just give you a heads up on a crucial mistake that extreme couponers can make. I've been couponing for a long time, and this month, January, is a no spend month for us. So something that I need to keep in mind is to not go and just, ooh, that's on clearance at BJ's. I'm gonna go get that. It's a really good deal. Oh, there's free Bounty paper towel at Walgreens this week. I gotta go get that. Because you know what happens? When we go to those places to get that item, we see other things and we put it in our cart. And before you know it, we have overspent. So something that I would have easily done is probably bought a bunch of crap that I really didn't need, but justified it because maybe I had coupons for it. Maybe it was on clearance, right? It was a good deal. But what happens when we do that is that we're constantly thinking we need to go get the next deal. So our mind is just always there. And we're spending money maybe that we didn't budget for. And then we end up with things that we don't need, the couponer's closet, or food that's expired. So if you're starting your couponing journey, I'm excited for you. It is a great thing, and it's how we paid off all of our debt. But remember, the coupon deals come around so often. Food deals, a little more rare. So if you see something that you know your kids like, your family likes of a food deal, sure, get it. But all of the household deals, paper towels, toothpaste, shampoo, all that stuff comes around again and again. So let me just encourage you, you don't have to go and get every single deal. Okay? It's going to be okay. You're doing a great job, and stick with it.